Today we're talking about Citrus Fresh. It's one of Young Living's most popular and most favorite blends. It's a combination of orange, grapefruit, mandarin, lemon, tangerine, and a little pop of spearmint.
We love Citrus Fresh because it's got an invigorating and positive aroma. So when you diffuse it or use it topically as well as inhaling it directly, it just boosts that that environment, and it just makes you
it's a good mood oil.
Yes, it just makes you feel happy and bright.
One thing I love about Citrus Fresh is the versatility that it comes in both a vitality and a topical and aromatic. And for those of you who don't know, vitality is intended to be used internally and ingested. Some of my favorite uses for the vitality Citrus Fresh are in marinades, in baked goods. I like to put it in vanilla frosting.
Yes.
It's incredible. And also, you can put it in vegetable caps and fill it the rest of the way with an oil like olive oil or coconut oil and use it as a supplement to support your overall wellness.
That's right. Another way that I love using it is in guacamole to give it just a little bit of a citrus taste to it, and yogurt. I love that.
Okay, we're forgetting our absolute all-time favorite use of Citrus Fresh and why it's going to be your new favorite, Ningxia Red.
Yes, I mean, I don't think I was forgetting that. It's just like, it's in the back of my head.
Okay, it's just, it changes, it brightens the entire flavor profile.
Yes.
Ningxia's already yummy, but hit it with a little bit of Citrus Fresh and let us know what you think. You're
It'll
going
be
to
a
love
game changer.
Oh, yeah.
Now, she did mention vitality versus this presentation topical aromatic. They're both of these products are 100% therapeutic grade, 100% pure essential oils. They're just labeled differently. And so we recommend Vitality for internal use. And then this one you can use for everything else. Either if you want to use it as a personal perfume, cologne, whatever you want, you can make your spritzer for your linen and your sheet. I know, with a bit of a witch hazel in a spray bottle.
And it's great for freshening the air, freshening your linens. I love to add this to my laundry as well.
Yeah.
Before I put it in the dryer, put it on the dryer balls and toss it in the laundry. It smells so good.
And because I'm Dominican, I have to cook every day. And sometimes those cooking sessions don't go that well at night because it infuses my house if I'm not diffusing anything. So this is one of my go-to to diffuse. As soon as I turn the stove on, I diffuse Citrus Fresh. I take care of the offensive smells. I know that I'm going to eat yummy food and I don't have to eat it after I'm done eating it. Like when I go into my room, it'll smell just fresh and nice.
Heavenly.
Yes.
So we hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit about Citrus Fresh. And if you're interested in more information, you can go to your virtual office under Member Resources to the YL Central, and there's an entire micro course on Citrus Fresh.
Please comment how you use Citrus Fresh because we love learning from you guys. You guys have your world of information.
Absolutely.
And share this video so that everybody else can learn more about Citrus Fresh.
Thanks for watching.